Hey lovelies, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a zipper neatly on your dress or your blouse. If this sounds like what you love, kindly watch it to the end. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do, and don't forget to share this video when you are done watching. Let's jump into the video. I already made my dress here. So when you are making a dress or a blouse, it's good you first sew it so you can get the actual measurement. So when I was done doing that, I marked 22 inches, and that's because I'm using a zipper of about 24 inches. So I just marked 22 inches there. Then I tacked that 22 inches mark. I then loosened the stitch to that point. I'll be pinning my zipper to my dress from the top to the part that I tacked. And when doing this, you have to do it neatly, following the stitch mark. That is the part where I loosened before. That is where I'm actually pinning the zipper onto. So that when you sew it, you will still maintain the original measurement of the dress. I'll just take my time to pin it like that. Another way you can do this is by doing hand stitching, but you have to use a different color of thread for that so you don't mix it up with the original thread you want to use. So when you do a kind of hand stitching or rough stitch, after sewing you then loosen it. So that's also another way you can do it. But in this video I will just be making use of my pins to hold the zipper in place. Look at it, I've just finished doing that, maintaining that initial line. Okay, after sewing that part, I will then repeat the same process for the other side. So it's time for me to take it to the sewing machine. To achieve a very neat sewing, you need to change the foot of the machine. Here I have this universal foot. I'm going to change it now to the zipper foot. I hope this video clearly shows that, but if not, I may have to do another video on how to change the foot of a sewing machine. So let me quickly show you how I changed the foot. What I had here was the universal foot, so I just took that up and it dropped. I'm going to be replacing it now with the zipper foot. I couldn't really capture this part very well because it was my son that was filming, so my hand was kind of blocking the view. That's it there. I just dropped it down like that and it clicked. Hope you understand, but if you don't understand, let me know in the comment section so I can make a video on how to change the foot of a sewing machine. After fixing the foot, I just brought out my dress and I began to sew on it. But before that, you need to properly arrange the dress. Even though you have changed the foot, you need to place it correctly so you don't sew wrongly. Okay, so with the zip foot, it comes out very smooth. Like, you don't need to be adjusting and adjusting, just keep sewing, and when you are done you will see how neat it will come out. So I was sewing that first part, then I will then switch to the other side. Very easy. And when you see the zipper, it will be looking very straight, unlike some dresses you will see that the zipper was not properly fixed. So this is the other side of the zipper. Can you see it? And now I'm done also sewing that part. Then the next step now is just to fold in those top parts that is usually on top of a zip. I don't know what it is called. So I'm just going to fold it inside and stitch on top. Can you see it? I'll just take the zipper down a little, fold it in there and stitch. That was how I fixed the zipper. Can you see how neat it's looking? Again, the way I made this dress, there's no zip bulge. Can you see it? If you want to know how to make a dress that would not have bulges. I will be leaving the link in the description box on how to eliminate zip bulges. You can take a look at this dress. It's just flat at the back. That is how it's supposed to be. So if you want to know how to eliminate zip bulges, just check the description box for the link. I would also be leaving the link of this corset dress tutorial in the description box. Kindly check it out as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe, please do. Don't forget to comment, like and share this video. See you in my next one, and bye.